Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Logitech G435 headset via Bluetooth. First, make sure your headset has enough power for a smooth connection. You'll need to find the power button and the dedicated Bluetooth button on the headset itself. To begin, simply press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until the indicator light turns on, signaling it's ready. Now, let's get your G435 into pairing mode. Locate the small Bluetooth button, usually near the power button. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds. You'll notice the LED indicator light on the headset will start flashing blue very quickly. This rapid flashing confirms your headset is actively searching for a device to connect with, so keep your device nearby. Next, grab the device you want to connect to, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Go into its Bluetooth settings and initiate a scan for new devices. You should see G435 gaming headset appear in the list of available connections. Simply tap or click on it to select. If your device asks for confirmation, accept the pairing request to finalize the connection. Once successfully paired, the LED on your G435 will glow a solid blue for about 5 seconds, then transition to a breathing cyan light. This visual cue confirms your headset is connected and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, try turning off and restarting both your headset and the device. Also, ensure no other devices are attempting to connect to your G435 at the same time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.